Hi everyone, my name is Abby Nichols and I live in Cincinnati, Ohio. I was born and raised here. I live here with my husband, Skylar, and we've been married now for almost 19 years. Many moons ago we met while serving our mission in California Riverside, which was an awesome experience that we share together. We currently have one son, Jeremy, who is 16. He's almost 16. He'll be 16 in a couple weeks. He's a sophomore in high school, and he is the light of our life. We were only able to have one child, and we are so grateful for that opportunity. And he just brings so much joy into our life. He's currently playing football right now at school, and it's very demanding, very taxing. But he has just persevered, and he has grown a lot from that experience, and it's really neat to watch as a parent. Something interesting about me is that I love working with teenagers. I love being around teenagers. I love that my son is a teenager, and I get to experience it firsthand. And eventually, I'd like to do something, if I do choose to work outside the home, after I graduate, I want to help, especially young women, I'm getting emotional, young girls, know their worth and know who they are, and I want to help them. And I don't know in what capacity I may do this, but I hope that maybe this course and the other classes I'm taking this semester will lead me down that path. I am so excited and nervous to be starting this new semester. I took off for the spring semester, so I'm a little, what's the word? I don't know, I can't think of it. I'm a little dusty, but I'm grateful to be back in the thick of it again, working towards my degree, and finishing something that I started over 20 years ago. And I look forward to getting to know all of you, or as many of you as I'm able to. And I look forward to really learning from you. I wish you the best of luck this semester, and thanks for listening.